Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Abhinya. So in today's video, I'm planning to take you all inside my day and what is that I do in my normal work day, especially on a Monday. Okay? And as most of you know, I think I'm a student success coach inside the Hustle Post Academy, and my main role inside the academy is to help students gain more confidence and start and scale their career. And I'm basically responsible for their success, and I do a couple of things inside the academy, from booking a one-on-one call with them if they are having any issues in proceeding with the course, or if they are having onboarding all the new students inside the academy. So I take care of onboarding, having a welcoming call with them, and emailing and responding to the email queries that they might have. So these are my major responsibilities, apart from which I do a couple of other things as well inside the course. So yeah, so that's basically about it, and I'm going to take you inside my day and just give you a sneak peek of how my day looks like. And now my team meeting is going to start, and I'm just so excited. Mondays are usually so exciting for me because it's a fresh start, it's a fresh day, a fresh start. It gives us immense hope and pleasure. So that's one thing. And other thing I'm very excited for Monday meeting is because of my team and because of my girl boss Saloni Srivastav, and I'm going to meet her now. So I'm going to take you all inside my team meeting and how is that happening and what we basically do in a team meeting. Okay, so let's get into it. I start my workday by reading any positive quote, and it really helps and puts me in the right mindset. Then I start with my deep work session where I will complete my major tasks for the day, learn any course or write a blog. If there is any particular work that requires a lot of concentration, then I finish that during these sessions as my mind will be in a flow state. Our team meeting starts at 10:45 p.m. So before the meeting, I do a quick check on my previous day and then add my to-do list for the day. And I also write a couple of tasks which are important in my notebook so that I can keep a track of them. So I just got done with my team meeting, and what happens in team meetings are just exciting because our team meetings are more organized, and we follow a structured way. So we get onto the call and just discuss about how our weekends was, and then we immediately start with the meeting where we discuss about what are our priorities, what am I doing, what are other members inside the team doing, so what Saloni's day is looking like, and if we want to set up a call with her to discuss something, when will be she available. We discuss about basically everything that happens. And today my priority task, or I have a couple of welcome calls, and I have to onboard more students who joined the academy to this last week, and I'm going to have a welcome call with them. And I have because it was a weekend, right? So today is a Monday, and I would be receiving a lot of email queries also, so I will be responding to them. So this is how my day looks like. And apart from that, I will also, whenever I'm getting break, I also start setting up my Calendly link so that if a student wants to book a call with me, they can just go to that link and book a call with me. So this is what happens in our team meeting. And now I'm having a one-on-one call with my student, and I'm just going to take you inside the call and show you how that goes. So now I have a quick one-on-one call with my student, and she's a regular person. Whenever she's having any doubt, she will book a weekly call with me, and we will have a quick chat, and I will give her insights and she will work on it. And basically I give homeworks to them. They complete those homeworks and get back to me and report that, yay Abhi, I have completed this and all, and they ask the next task that they have to do for the next week, and that is how they the calls usually go. So I will take you inside the call, and come, let's go. I just got done with all the one-on-one calls for my morning, just before a couple of minutes now, and I received a couple of email queries and I responded to them all. So that's done for now. Now sharp at 1 p.m. I'm going to have a welcome call. So basically what happens in a welcome call is when a new student joins inside the academy, they all can join the welcome call, and I will be like, you know, giving a small tour inside the dashboard, what happens inside the academy and everything. Okay, but this particular call is going to be too crowded, guys, because a lot of students joined the academy in the past 1 week, and the call is going to be crowded, and it's just exciting to see a lot of new faces with, like, you know, such passion and with such dreams joining inside the academy to start their online business and scale it to another level. And I'm going to be there welcoming them, and that energy is just on another level. So that's awesome. So I will be doing that welcome call where I will give a small introduction about what I do inside the academy, who I am, and I will also let them introduce themselves so that they can have an understanding of what their batchmates and friends are doing inside the academy. And after that, I will be taking them to the dashboard tour and showing them what happens. So basically, like, you know, once you enroll inside our academy, we have the foundation course. Apart from that, we have 13 courses, and we have a lot of live calls that happening, and coffee chats and webinars and master classes. While it can be very exciting for any new student who joins the academy to go with any course that they want, it is also a very tiring process. It can also become like overwhelming for them at times to, like, what course should I take? I mean, there are a lot of courses here, which course should I take, right? So with that, I will be helping them, giving a proper and structured roadmap. So basically, I understand their goals, and with their goals, I will be suggesting them the courses that should they take first. And that's what happens in a welcome call, and I'm going to take you inside my welcome call. Let's get started. We have a couple of, like, you know, downloadable resources and a welcome message from Saloni. And in the next steps, you can actually get a link to join our like, you know, Hustle Post Academy exclusive Facebook group. So you can join that group using this link. Okay, and while you're giving request to join the group, we will be asking a couple of basic questions like, what is your email ID? So there, please give your registered email ID, and we will also be asking your order number. Okay, so order number is nothing but when you bought the course, right, you would have got an email to the email ID that you have registered, and you will be able to find your order number. If you're not able to find your order number, don't worry, I will tell you how to find that at the end of this call. Okay, cool. So I hope most of you must have joined the Facebook group, and from there we start with the first module. Okay, now in the first module, you can see we start with finding your purpose. Hey guys, you just saw how my welcome calls are going, and I do this according to the schedule and according to the number of new students who are joining inside the academy, and I take at least a couple of these calls in a week. And always whenever I am ending my welcome call, it's just it's so much of fresh energy, so much of new students inside the academy with a lot of passion and dreams, and it just sets me in the right tone for my work for the rest of the days. So that's how it puts me in the right mood. And I just wanted to say a couple of things before I end this video. So I'm just a proud student of Hustle Post Academy, and when I'm a proud student of my mentor Saloni Srivastav, and when the academy was launched, initially I joined. I was like the first few members who joined the academy immediately when it was launched, and it's not exaggerating if I put it in this way, but Hustle Post Academy did change my life for better. And Saloni Srivastav, she's just my guardian angel, she's my mentor, she's my everything. And so when after I joined inside the academy, I had a couple big dreams before I joined the academy, but all these dreams got streamlined only after I started taking the courses inside the academy. And then I started my journey as a content writer, a freelancer, a social media manager, as an entrepreneur, and my own course on productivity is in pipeline, and it will be launched soon. And all this happened because of Saloni, and I just can't be more happy and proud that I took the right decision at the right time. So now I just have a couple of minutes of my break time, and after that I will be getting on with other one-on-one calls. And after my one-on-one calls, I will be preparing some other things, the pending works that I have. I will be completing that, and after my work day ends, I will take a small break and I will start with my freelancing journey and my own content creation journey. I will actually start working on my own business. I will get onto the call with Saloni and ask doubts. So from 9 to 5 is the time when I am a student of, when I'm a team member of Saloni. And not in my wildest dream did I imagine that I will be working with Saloni when I first started this course. But here I am as a student success coach inside the academy. And so morning sessions will be my Saloni will be my boss. After that, she will be playing the role of a mentor, and I'm going to get started with that. If you would like to see my work day, like morning routine or any such videos like a normal work day of a freelancer or of a coach, anything, please let me know in the comment section, and I will be more than happy to make those videos for you guys. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload my next video. And thank you so much for joining. I will meet you all guys next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye.